In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to connect Bluetooth speaker to Roku TV. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna give you easy to follow instructions on how to set up a Bluetooth speaker and use it within your Roku TV. This is going to work for any standard speaker, a soundbar, or even headphones that you have. So first, I'm gonna show you the main way to do it and then an alternative that works for basically any model. So first, the main way to do this is going to be through the settings. So from the home screen of your Roku TV, go into the settings, and in here, look for remotes and devices. Usually, you will find the option to pair a new device instantly. So you will either see a screen similar to this one, where you can choose Bluetooth device, or it's a screen like this one, where you can connect these devices listed. So, of course, if you have the option to connect a speaker or a Bluetooth device directly, then this is all you have to do. It is simple to do, and whenever you choose this option, you just put your speaker into pairing mode, usually by pressing the Bluetooth button and then choosing it from the list. It will automatically be detected by the Roku TV, and they will pair themselves up for you. Now, if for whatever reason you don't have these options, or they aren't reliable and they aren't working, then there is an alternative. This alternative can be done by using the Roku mobile app. So grab your speaker, and instead of connecting it to your Roku TV, connect it to your mobile device instead. So download the Roku app, and first make sure the Bluetooth is enabled on your device. Like I said, connect your speaker to your mobile device. Usually this will be done by pressing a respective Bluetooth button on the device or the remote for your speaker, and then whenever it appears under the list of other devices, you simply have to choose it from the list. Once the speaker is properly connected to your smartphone, then you can go inside of the Roku app. You will be able to easily set up your Roku TV, and you will see this icon here, headphone. This is headphone mode. Essentially, it is going to use whatever you have connected to your mobile device as the speaker for your TV. So essentially, the audio will go from the TV into your phone and then eventually into the speaker. So all that you have to do after you connect your speaker through Bluetooth to your phone is to tap on this headphone mode icon. So like I said, try this method out first directly through the TV, and if you don't have access to these options, then you can try the mobile app alternative. I hope I was able to help you on how to connect Bluetooth speaker to Roku TV. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.